So after you design something in CapCut, you may want to go around and export it as an image so that you can share it out in different social media platforms or email it to someone and so forth. So once you've done your design, over here on the top, you can see export is an option. So what you need to do is click on it right here. And what you can do is you can set the file name according to how you want. So I'm just going to go around and say example design right here, just like this. And over here, you can go around and choose the format to whether be JPG or PNG. If you have images on your design, then JP is the way to go. But if you have flat colored contents, then you can go around and choose PNG. And PNG also supports transparency right here. So now what you can do is you can choose the resolution, which may be 2x or 1x right here, as you can see. So you can go around and make the resolution 2 times more as well if you want to. Let me just go around and select that and then click on download, and that's it. So it says the file is downloaded. So now it's downloaded as a PNG right here. So just like this. And if I were to go around and click right here, then this is what you have, as you can see. So this is the file right here, which has been downloaded as a PNG image, and you can go around and share this out in different platforms as you like. So that is how you can utilize the image export option inside of CapCut. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.